Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. You know what? I was in the mood for pork chops and I thought I want something to go with them, and then I thought of braised cabbage. I just love braised cabbage. Went ahead and threw together a quick and easy recipe and it was so good I thought I'd share it with you, so let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, we're going to start off with a head of red cabbage that I cut in half and then cut into quarters and then gone ahead and cut into sections again. So you want these cut into, I'd say relatively manageable wedges, something like this.
Okay guys, today this video has been brought to you by the good folks over at Magiccos.
And we are using the 14 cup FP408 food processor that I've had for about a year now and must say loving it. So we are going to reach into the handy storage drawer and pull out the coarse slicing blade. Go ahead and slip it into the blade holder. Pop the top on. Set our speed to about 2 or 3. And simply begin cutting up our cabbage. And I have to say guys, this food processor does a simply phenomenal job. I would not be without it now. And there we are. In the matter of a couple of minutes, our cabbage is all prepared. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw this into a bowl. And this is about the cut or shred you want right here guys. This is just about perfecto. Next up, I'm going to grab up a red onion that I cut into quarters, slip it into the food processor using the same blade and slice it up as well. Fast, easy, my friends, and just about magical. Alrighty then, let's go ahead and throw those onions into a separate bowl.
And I also have to say that I've been dealing with this company for years and I really like them. I like their products. They're reputable, they're honest. So if you're in the market for a food processor, that's the place to go. They certainly have my endorsement.
Okay, next up I'm going to grab up an apple, and you can use just about any old apple as long as it's got a bit of tart to it. I'm using 2 apples here, so we'll just go ahead and peel these up. Cut them into quarters and take those cores out. Then slice them into nice manageable cubes. Alrighty then, now we're going to grab up a handful of that cabbage and just put it into the bottom of a Dutch oven. Just kind of spread it out evenly here. Followed by another layer of red onion. Then the apples over top of the onions. And last but not least, a few raisins. I'm using about a 1/4 cup here. Of course, you probably guessed it by now, guys, another layer of cabbage. A few more onions, we're just essentially repeating the process here. Some more apples, get them nice and evenly spread out. And of course, the last of our raisins. Now we're going to season things up with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we'll just go ahead and kind of dust that over the top. By the way guys, I just love all of these spices. I guess I said season up, I meant spice up. But whatever, that's all good and fine. Follow our spices up with a couple of tablespoons of brown sugar. So go ahead and put a nice dusting of that over the top. A 1/4 cup of cooking wine. You can also use a good wine here too. And last but not least, another 1/4 cup of water. Now we're going to slip the old top on. And this is going into a 355 degree Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius preheated oven for about an hour and a half. And I usually stir the cabbage about every 30 minutes while it's baking. After about an hour and a half, guys, this simply smells incredible. The whole kitchen is just filled with this wonderful aroma. So to finish things off, we're going in with a good knob of butter, a couple of tablespoons. Give everything a stir around just to get that wonderful, wonderful gloss on the cabbage. And just check this out guys, doesn't this look remarkable? So we'll just go ahead and plate this up, and I think this will go divinely like with pork chops, chicken, just about any kind of protein. And you bite into this braised cabbage guys, it is incredible. I mean, it's a little on the sweet side, the seasoning, it's tender. You are simply going to love it. And if you do make it up, leave us a comment. I love to read them. And most of all, subscribe and check out the Magiccos food processor. I'll leave everything in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.